What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you're having a wonderful day, my friends. Today, I really want to talk to you guys about just the power of the futures market. And there's been so much things happening in the futures market that you will not be able to see if you're not actually looking at it after hours. And today's such a great example, and I really wanted to focus on that, as well as AMD, which was one of the stock picks that we're able to crush today. All right. So if you're ready, my friends, let's step into the war zone. First and foremost, let's do some shout outs. Danny, Trading Wars Army, what's going on, brother? Mike, Calmeen, Gus, Trading Wars Army, CDP, Omar, Jim, Trading Wars Army, Briggs, Eric, Scratch, Marcelo, Trading Wars Army, Nandi, Johnny, Wesley, Bill, Dorian, David, Heartstrong, TD. What's going on? What's going on, guys? Produce Chips, D Robinson, Jimmy Palmer, Trading Wars Army. Let's go, guys. All right. Let's get right into this. Okay. So the first thing, guys, is let's go back to the futures market. Okay. You can't do your analysis without looking at what happened on the futures market. So this right here was the futures open. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the 15-minute chart so you can see it a lot easier. Okay. So futures opened on Sunday right here. You see we had this gap down. So this was the gap down that we had on futures. This was on Sunday. And as you guys know, we went short, right? So look at this. Overnight, guys, we have all this price action. Okay, so this is going right into the morning. The morning starts right here. There's your 9:30. Let me draw a box on that. Okay, so this is what happened overnight. So we took our short overnight. We had this big sell-off coming into the open. Now let's go to SPY. Okay, so here's SPY. Here is your 5-minute chart right here. Okay, so your 3-minute, your 5-minute chart. And look, do you guys see how tight that price action is? Hit me with a 1 if you could see how tight that price action is. And what I'm trying to show you here, guys, is look how they chop us out during the regular trading hours. What are they trying to do? They want to kill option premium. They want to take your money, guys. That's basically what they're trying to do. So overnight, they're taking nice, clean moves. They're selling off, right? Okay, let's see how much points. Let's say roughly 30 points, $1,500 a contract. And then during regular trading hours, here's regular trading hours. Look at this. Sideways. You see that? You see how they do, you guys? Right? That's what they want to do. They want to kill the premiums. They want to sell you. They want to sell you puts. They want to sell you calls. They want to do X, Y, and Z to make their money. And they move the market when they want to overnight. That's what I've been seeing. I don't know institution. I don't know what it is, but there is so much things happening nowadays in the after hours market that we can't ignore that. Hit me with a 10 if that makes sense. We cannot ignore that. So going back to yesterday, you could see on Sunday, we shorted, okay? And I've been holding on to a short, able to take this short into the regular trading hours. We went pretty much sideways, but that being said, we still were able to fight through all of this chop and all of this bullshit and still able to make some money. So let me show you what I did from a day trading perspective today. So go ahead, hit the replay right there. All right. So the first thing is we draw the previous day's low. I'm going to draw it right there. And then the first 3-minute bar came in, boom. Okay. So there's our first 3-minute bar. And today, all I wanted to do was I wanted a short, right? So what I was waiting for today was this 3-minute orb. I wanted to take the short once we broke this low. Okay. So once that low broke, that's where I'm shorting. I wasn't really too interested in going long today at all. I was just waiting for this low to break. Okay, because you see this is a big bullish bar. So my strategy here is if we break this low, that will have that ability to roll over. Hit me with a 6 if that makes sense. Okay, that's my whole game plan today. So yes, regular trading hours was choppy. They are moving the markets when they feel like, but that doesn't mean we can't still make money by focusing on our game plan and just trading properly. So you'll see today. Good morning, friends. Nice gap down. Our short last night was perfect. I'm going to start off the 3-minute orb. So this was this morning at 6:26 Pacific, 9:26 Eastern. And then we got short at 6:41. Okay, 9:41 Eastern. So I'm going to show you how that happened and what happened from there. So we're waiting. Okay, I'm going to walk you through this. So we're waiting. Next candle. Boom. Okay, waiting. Boom. There's my short. Okay, so right when that low gets hit, I'm going short. Right there. Okay. And this one, like I said, it was a choppy day. They're trying to chop, trying to kill us. That's fine. Let's take our fib now from our high to our low, and I'll show you how I took profits on this. So I'm looking here for this 272. I'm looking for this 50. These are my levels right here. So here we go. There's our flush down to the first target. Notice how as soon as it taps that level, it pops right back up, guys. So there we go. And then boom, push back up here. This is the first morning leg Fibonacci. So I'll take you from here, high to low. So you could see we came down. This is our go-to morning leg fib, right? Came back, pulled into the golden zone. And then finally we got that move right there. So that's what I was waiting for all day. But look how beautiful that morning leg fib was as well. So even though, guys, it was a very tight range, you played it the right way. Our short here, our pullback into our golden zone fib right there, taking it down into a new low. And this is where we're covering. This is where we want to cover. Okay, we want to be covering over here because look what happens. So this is the beautiful sell-off we're looking for. And now look what happens right here. Straight back up. You see that? So this is why the rookies are going to get trapped, because the rookies are going to short here. They go, oh, the market is crashing. The market is crashing. I'm going to short here. I'm going to short here. I'm going to short here. Bam, right back at them. Hit with an 11, if that makes sense. Whereas we are taking our short in the morning off the first bar, and then on this Fibonacci pullback right here, this is where we're also taking our next short. Okay, so we're getting the best possible deal. So right here, you can see target one hit. Love it, love it, love it. And then I'm going to go to our fibs. And I'm going to show you something a little advanced right here, how we were able to smash this Fibonacci today. We absolutely destroyed this one. And I'm going to show you guys something that's going to be a little bit crazy, but it's extremely powerful. Okay, so ready for this? So look at the regular trading hours here. This is the 11:30 bar. Okay, so let's go to the 5-minute chart and let me mark that bar. That's the 11:30 bar. Okay, here's your 11:30 bar. Let's go to SPY. Let's remove all the drawings now. Let's fast forward. Here is your 11:30 bar right here. Okay, so check this out, guys. You look at this 11:30 bar, you might say, hey, what happened here? I don't see a fib. Why did we sell off here, etc., etc.? What's going on? Now pay attention to this. Go right here. We take, guys, this is the Sunday gap down. We take the high from here. We take the low all the way there, guys. Oops. Let me just fix that right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put on our basic, and let's add the 786. See that, guys? This is why we sell off at the 11:30. Okay. So this is the pullback, right? But you guys don't see that unless you look at the futures. This is the futures price action. You see that? Look, this is Sunday at 7 o'clock. Okay, Sunday right here. That's the high. And then when you go to SPY here, that's where that is. Does that make sense? Even to 12, if that makes sense. So that was the one we were stalking today in the Discord. I'll show you that. So right here. So we drew up the pre-market fib for everybody in the morning. And then you could see right here, 618 filled. And that candle, guys, that one looks brutal, right? Look at that. We're taking that fill right here on this candle right here. And it looks very, very bullish. We're taking that fill. However, we know the fib is there. So we have a good risk reward. Then we came back down, 382 hit, smashed it right there, guys. Boom, right there. Clean, 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 clean. Really, really nice, okay? So even right now, we're coming back up to the 786 again. This is live right now, and we're having some rejection there, okay? Possibly we could even sell off from here for the rest of the night, okay? So we've just been combining so many things. I feel like that my eyes are open now from all of the bullshit that they try to do overnight, this and that. They're hiding certain things. Whatever they're trying to do, guys, I feel like we have a better picture now because we can incorporate what's happening overnight. We can see, okay, on Sunday, they wanted to run it down, and we can also get involved because if we're able to short since Sunday, guys, like I was showing you, you can definitely make all of this money before the market even opens. Okay, so hit me with the 12 if that all makes sense. Right. And the other short that I took today, just posted it here, is this AMD short, $2,216. Let me just show you this AMD short. So I posted the AMD short last night on the Twitter, and I also posted it on the YouTube. So let me go ahead and find that for you guys. Give me 1 second, and I'll walk you through this trade, and then we'll wrap it up. All right. Good day, very good day. I'm not going to complain. Was able to, even though in a choppy environment, to understand what we need to do and to make money. That's all we care about. Okay, make money at the end of the day when we're trading. Try to survive, live to see another day. All right, so last night on YouTube, I also posted it. See AMD short below 86.13. So if you're not subscribed to the Twitter, make sure you are. And to the YouTube, if you're subscribed, you get these free picks every day. And if you're an Army member, you get the bonus picks as well. All right, please, right now, guys, hit the subscribe button and hit me with a like. I'm sharing, literally, guys, look at this. AMD short 8613, AMD $2,216. I'm sharing exactly what I'm doing with you guys. I'm not hiding anything. So I would appreciate if you really can go ahead and drop the like and drop the subscribe, okay? Because we're a community, Trading Wars Army. Let's do it. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna draw our trigger, and I'm gonna walk you through how we took this short. So again, our level is 8613. So first I'll explain to you why. Okay, so the why is important. All right. So we go to the daily chart, AMD at a beautiful shotgun inside bar. So what is a shotgun inside bar? Shotgun inside bar is when we have that inside bar, but it has the long wick, right? So this is telling me there's short pressure. Short pressure, I'm looking for short pressure. This is also the big box, small box strategy. So let's go ahead and draw our boxes up. So here is our bigger box. This is the bigger box right here. And here is our smaller box. And what we're saying is the price action is getting tighter and tighter. And we can draw that physically with a pennant like that. Okay. You can see here, the price action is getting tighter and tighter. And what we're looking for here, guys, is we're saying, okay, if we break this red line, we believe it's going to break out of this box and we're going to be able to short. Hit me with a 15 if that makes sense. Okay. Hit me with a 15 if that makes sense. And then all we do right here, guys, 8613 comes in, bam. Okay, so the market, look, AMD, it opens below the level. So all we do, we wait for that red line to touch, waiting, boom, there it is, bam. Okay, we're filled right away. You could see the rejection. So you know we have a good chance this trade is going to work out. And then bam, 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 bam. There's our rollover. Boom, beautiful. Okay, this one was probably one of the top 10 trades in terms of instant profit. When I mean instant profit, I mean instant, because look at that. As soon as that red line touches, guys, as soon as it touches, boom, shoots right back down. That's what I love to see on trigger. Bam. I want to see it, boom, take me straight down. Okay, really, really nice. Love that one. That's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for your time. That was the trade recap. So I just want to show you the importance of understanding what's going on in the futures, how we're using futures. Check me out at tradingwars.com if you want to come trade with us. If you subscribe right here on the main page, guys, the room is only $49.99. I have not raised the price. Many people have raised their prices, but I'm going to keep it fair for everyone that wants to learn. That's important to me. And also, guys, if you want to learn more about futures, I have my book right here. So you get 1 month for free in the Discord if you buy any one of our 3 books, and you get our premium indicators for life resources page. Please check this out. There's so much useful information for you here, free trackers and everything like that. Let's go ahead and look at some scans. So you guys might say, Rich, how did you find AMD? How did you find that pick? It's from my scanners. Okay, I looked these up here. So right now I'm going to do a quick look here for tomorrow. So cost, very beautiful blue raindrop, one of my favorites to play. I love Costco. So that's going to be on one of my picks for tomorrow. Please check this out. What else do we have here? Holy Grail. Let's see if there's any. Nothing. Apple. Oh, boy. How could I miss that one? This is an A+ pick for us right there. All right. So, guys. So, I think I'm on the wrong time frame here. There we go. There's our beautiful Holy Grail on Apple. You can see last time we had one, Jan 4th. Took a little bit of time, but we had a massive rally. This one was a gap up. This one, another massive rally. So I'm looking, what I love about the Holy Grail is the volatility. So if you guys want to get my scans on Trendspider, if you're already a customer, just let them know you want to join the Trading Wars affiliate, and they'll hook you up, or use code TWZ35 and they will send you all of my scanners ready to rock and roll. That's it for me, guys. Another great day in the books. Let's continue to make some money, and hope to see you in the Army. Hope to see you. Just keep banking. That's all we care about. Thank you. Thank you so much for your time. Appreciate you guys. Comment, like, subscribe. Tradingwars.com is the place to be. I will see you tomorrow.